everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. And today I'm doing a layout from when the Milwaukee Bucks became NBA champs in 2021. I am from an area not too far from Milwaukee, and so it was really super exciting to be watching all of that going on. And it had been many years since they were champs, so it was really kind of fun. So I thought I had turned the camera on and I didn't. So I did two things here. I used that green paper behind the photograph to mimic kind of the Bucks colors, which is the Doodlebug Petite Prince in Grasshopper. And then I had added that wood flag that says "We Won," which is from Ellie's studio. And then then I have that little basketball there, which is again Ellie's studio. The background here is a wood paper from Echo Park, and it's the America Beautiful Dusty Blue Wood Grain. So that's a blue wood grain behind. And then that wood gingham, and white gingham paper is from Webster's Pages, My Happy Place, Pretty Plaid. So the Bucks have like they're definitely green, and they have a little bit of a almost beigey color to them now. Obviously, what do I say? Obviously, uniforms change, but it's got a little bit of that in it right now. So it felt good to kind of be using a wood grain. Plus, the wood was a reminder of basketball courts. So that's where all this is coming from. So all of these pieces here, wood veneer, is all from Ellie's studio. That basketball and the We Won came from a sports pack. But then I have these stars from another pack. And then I think there's a thicker small star that I'll be playing with. I don't have it yet. That comes from Studio Calico. So just so I kind of know that. So I'm kind of playing with just kind of gathering a few little things. I do have a basketball which is themed, but a lot of this stuff is not very themed. You know, stars can be used for anything. So just kind of adding that there and getting that down. It's a fairly simple layout, but that green really makes you focus in on the photo. And what that photo is of an area in Milwaukee that surrounds Fiserv Forum, which is where the Bucks play. There's actually two photographs there. And there were, they have this really cool place called the Deer District. There's a lot of restaurants and shops. There's a big plaza. And the night that the Bucks won that championship, there were 60,000 people out on the street, which is a lot for a small area, a small-ish town, like a small big city like Waukesha, a small big city like Milwaukee. Waukesha's a city near where I live. So anyway, so that was just kind of a really fun thing, and something that I really want to remember about that time. And, it was kind of a fun thing. So anyway, kind of impressive to see those crowds. I, however, was not there and would not have been anywhere near there at that point. So now I am going through a sticker book here just to see if I can find anything. I believe this is the Dear Lizzie sticker book, to see if I can perhaps find anything here. And I'm just not finding any stickers that I really love here. So then I decided, well, I know what, I kind of know what I want to do for my title, which is champs or champions. And so I've got the Chamel Fitzgerald glitter alphabet in gold here. And so I'm taking that on. And then when I looked at it, really the letters are tall, but they're very thin. So I decided that I could fit in not just champs, but NBA as well. And I just liked it's kind of glittery, and just kind of felt like it went with a championship. So I'm going to get NBA champs on here in just a second. And these letters the nice part about these letters is I'm not tacking them down very hard, so they're moving pretty easily as I'm moving them around. I didn't use my wax paper like I tend to do with stuff like this. And then I just realized, you guys, the small stars that I'm going to add into this layout in just a little bit you're not going to see me do it because I actually did it after the camera was shut off. So sorry about that. But I wanted something up in that top left. And then, so I was thinking about that is when I did it. So then I found this sticker here that says pass it, which felt like something that you would say in a basketball game. And kind of playing, and that is from the Bella Boulevard Soccer Fundamental stickers, even though that is a soccer sticker, it seemed to work. And then you're not going to see me do this now. Actually, I added this awesome sticker in, sorry about that, from the Soccer Fundamentals from Bella Boulevard as well. And then you're not going to see me do this now. But on the top left, I decided it was a little bit plain and there wasn't much going on in the top left. So I'm going to add a tab sticker there that says loving the game, and you'll see that in the still shot at the end. And then I added a small star there and then added another small star to the top right. So the small stars are the ones that come from Studio Calico. And some of these wood veneers the LA Studio are pretty thick like that star, but some are really thin like the other stars because they're meant to go in Project Life. Okay, continuing to look to see if I can find anything else I like. And this is a relatively simple layout, really. And in the end, and then I really, I haven't glued this down, so I probably should do that. Now it's so funny because I didn't think I was going to use a basketball icon, but my oldest grandson just started playing basketball and actually was at a game yesterday. So I've now used the basketball in this other layout, but that's okay because you want to use them when you can, right? If it's appropriate, get it used. Otherwise, it can sit in your stash. All right, so just gluing things down here. Just kind of looking at it to see if there's anything else that I think I can add on. And I'm just not finding the right thing again. I didn't find it until I was putting everything away. So there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.